Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
At 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 48.9 degrees Celsius, water is in a hot but not boiling state. This temperature is significant for several reasons. It's hot enough to kill many types of bacteria and pathogens, making it ideal for sanitizing surfaces and utensils. However, it's also below the boiling point, meaning it won't produce steam or evaporate quickly. This makes it suitable for gentle cooking methods, such as poaching, where preserving texture and moisture is key. Always use caution, as water at this temperature can cause burns on human skin.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.